Amelia. So we're currently is still in front of the President-elect Prabowo Subianto's Hambalang residence in Bogor, West Java, where currently, as from the media, like you could see, we are currently preparing to see whether the briefing for the ministerial candidates have just finished. Because like earlier at this, since from 5 minutes earlier, there are a lot of cars who are currently going in and outside, so which is why we are currently preparing whether if there are any unofficial press statement of if there are any candidates that are will go outside from this and then they are willing maybe to give some of the brief statements or just waving their hands to us from the media. So what we know so far is that for today, the last sessions for the minister's briefing begin at 4 p.m., which is around 1 hour ago. And then at the discussion itself for the last briefings, it's all about the gross domestic products or GDP. For today, the briefing itself focused more on the geopolitical situations as well as the economic situations. And then it has started since 8 a.m. this morning. However, as from the media, we cannot go inside because so we don't really know for sure about the content of the discussion itself. So we are just here still waiting for them if they are going to come after finish the briefing itself. So the briefing itself, aside from attended by the President-elect Prabowo Subianto, the Vice President-elect Gibran Rakabuming Raka also present during this briefing. And since 8 a.m. this morning, there are a lot of people, a lot of candidates, where most of them are the one who are being invited to Prabowo Subianto's residence in Kertanegara, South Jakarta several days ago. And then after they are being invited, after they have discussions and also some of them signed the integrity pact, many of them are now here at the Hambalang residence where they are undergoing the briefing. So some of them are the current ministers under President Joko Widodo's presidency period, which are, we have Sri Mulyani, we have Erlangga Hartarto, we have Rosan Roslani, we have Pratikno, Agus Harimurti Yudhoyono, and also there are still some of the names which are also the current ministers. However, aside from them, there's also some of the new names which include the former People Consultative Assembly deputy head, which is Yandri Susanto. We also have the great imam of the Istiqlal Mosque, Nasaruddin Umar, and also we have the members of the House of Representatives, which is Prasetyo Hadi, who are currently inside to have the briefing from the Prabowo Subianto himself. So again, we are still waiting if there are any official statements from the Prabowo Subianto teams. If we see from the previous days at Kertanegara residence in South Jakarta, usually after the events ended, we will have some of the official statements either from Prabowo Subianto or from his team, which is usually being represented by Sufmi Dasko Ahmad from Gerindra political parties. So yeah, it is expected that the briefing itself will not only take place for one day, but also it will continue tomorrow. However, we're still not sure whether the same names that will attend today will also attend tomorrow, or maybe there will be another names which consists of the deputy ministers as well as head of institutions. So yeah, we'll continue to give you further updates about this. Back to the studio.